going on YouTube? It is your boy 7. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your YouTube banner on your mobile device. So as you can see here, I'm on my Android device, and what you'll want to do is to launch your browser. I'm going to be using Samsung Internet Browser for this. You could use whichever browser you choose. So the next step would be to hop into YouTube Studio, and how you'd go about doing that is to type studio, I can't spell, studio.youtube.com, and basically it will ask you if you want to launch the application or continue. So what you need to do is to continue in browser, and it will reach to this point where you have your YouTube Studio dashboard here. As you can see, my YouTube Studio dashboard. So once you're here, what you need to do in order to change your banner is to the left of the screen where you see all of these icons. As you can see, we have a dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, and all of that. You need to click on customization and wait for it to load. So okay, as you can see, channel customization. So here is where you do all the changing. So you need to click on branding, and from branding you could change your profile picture or you could change your banner image. So in order to change your banner image, you need to click on change. Now for the best results on all devices, use an image that is at least 2048 by 1152 pixels or at least 6 megabytes or less. So let's click on change, and it will ask you to browse your files or camera, but I won't do that because I'm not changing my banner. I'm just indicating to you guys how you go about doing this, or the steps you need to take in order to change your banner or your YouTube banner on your Android devices. So that's basically it. And once you've made the change, you need to come up here and click on publish, and then the change will be made in a few minutes or so. Sometimes it's made instantly. So that is basically, guys, how you go about changing your YouTube banner on your Android device. Let me run through it one last time. So on your channel dashboard, so let me run through it from the start. So you need to click on studio.youtube.com, as you can see right there. Launch into your channel dashboard. Let's give it some time to load. Okay, to the left you click on customization. Whilst in customization, you need to click on branding, and then you could simply click on change for banner image, add the file from your gallery or wherever, and that's basically it, guys, how you go about changing your banner, your YouTube banner on your Android devices. So hope this tutorial was informative and helpful. Thank you guys for watching. 7 out.